Hi. Okay, so I have pulled out some really beautiful pieces. A few of them are actually listed on Etsy, but I think on Etsy sometimes it's hard to see how pretty or how sparkly some things are. So I pulled out this first set. This is new specimens I have from India. And then I'll start with the ones that are on Etsy. These are the apophyllite floaters, and I think these two pieces are listed. But you can't really tell how sparkly they are. They're so beautiful. So there you can see it kind of looks like little drips of like icicles or something, but it is very sparkly on both sides. So these are lovely. That little piece right there is some still bite. There's a little bit of still bite and right there as well. But mainly these are the apophyllite, and those are called apophyllite floaters. I pulled out two because they're so pretty. And there's this one. And then the other really gorgeous sparkly thing, and actually these are not listed. This is scolecite. It's also from India, and it's just gorgeous. It's like a fan or a spray of these beautiful crystals. It is delicate, and there's always a little bit, like see right here, whoops, a little bit of a few little pieces came off. But there's so many of them that it doesn't really affect how pretty they are, but you should expect, about that much off in your shipping. I do ship them really carefully, and I've had really good success so far. And then these I recommend that you find a place for them, and then you just don't handle them too much. These are not for handling just because they're so delicate, but these are larger crystal sizes, most of them, so those are okay. There's some tiny ones around the edges that break just super easily, but these are gorgeous statement pieces, just so beautiful. The number on the sticker is the price. So that one's $285, and then that one's $90. This is also on. We listed on Etsy, but on Etsy you just don't see the sparkle as well. So this is blue cavensite, which is a very rare mineral. That little pom pom there, and here you can see it's growing on some druzy, which gives it just beautiful sparkle. So these are rare and also quite beautiful. So I thought I would bring that one out. This is less sparkly, but just so delicate and beautiful. And this is blue chalcedony. All of this is from India. So this is also from India. So the blue chalcedony is the stuff underneath it almost looks like glass or coral or something. And then those little white dots are called oconite, and it's a zeolite. It's a kind of mineral similar to some of these other ones here, like the scolecite. And there's a little bit of a bigger piece. It almost looks like a little fuzzy ball, and then some you can see the chalcedony up close, kind of a stalactite formation. Just so pretty. And I put two pieces out. That one is 68. This one is 52. It's a little bit smaller. Has a nice little bit of oconite. But also that super beautiful, delicate, lacy looking specimens. Let me go back over to the cavensite so you can see it magnified a bit. Scolecite. It just looks like beautiful glass fans. And then the apophyllite floaters. So pretty. Okay, and then I also pulled this out, and this is also a mesolite. You can see it's like a little fuzzy ball of crystals. This is orange mesolite, also called Thompsonite. And so pretty also. I've got a larger piece there that's 362, and I mean it's not big. These are not large pieces, but larger than the other one. And then this one is 68, and you can see it's a little bit smaller. And these are very rare and beautiful as well. And then the last two I'm showing you are glassy apophyllite. And apophyllite is beautiful. And this is very clear, gemmy, just top quality apophyllite. So you can see, just so clear and pretty. And apophyllite is similar to quartz, but it has 4 sides instead of 6. So it kind of does more of a pointy thing. And I believe it has aluminum in it. And this one is 68, is beautiful on all sides. It's got a very small, you can see in the middle that dark, that's some dark chalcedony that it is growing off of. So that piece right there is 68. This one is also glossy apophyllite. It is on, you can see some of the black chalcedony underneath, and it has some gorgeous stilbite that is pearlescent. It's like a peachy pearlescent color, and it's really, really beautiful. Let me turn this one over as well. You can see some of that blue matrix that's growing on, the blue and the black. There's some more of this stilbite. Little stilbite flowers there. And that beautiful pearl sheen to it. And that piece is 90. Okay, so that is the new stuff from India. I do have some new things from Pakistan and Afghanistan, and also some very sparkly pieces from South Africa, some of the salros. But I thought I would start with showing you this that is not listed online. Okay, let me know if you see anything you like. If not, I'll list some more things. Okay, bye.